Ray. It's Ray from Wandering Gods. Got to fit some towing mirrors on the MU-X. So I've done a bit of research online. It looks fairly simple, so let's give it a go. Normally you lift the plugs out from here with the little screwdriver, but a knife's going to do the job as well. Just get under the lip and pop the cover off. Now the cover's actually attached to it. Borrow this. So you can see that little cover just there. It needs to come off so I can get to a screw under it. Okay, and there's another one just behind the door handle here. So I'll pop that one off nice and carefully so it doesn't damage it. Now I'll grab a screwdriver and take them off. Careful not to lose.
And give
Floor mat? No, floor mat.
Not going to give the screws to the trade assistant?
TA's not very good.
Oh, isn't she?
And take the screw out. Screw the floor mat with the other one. Now looking at this cover simply pops off. Pressed on with a clip there. And next we need to get under here. So that off there.
Oh, so the whole thing just lifts up?
The whole thing just lifts up. And
just be careful of the electrics, yeah?
careful of the electrics.
Gotcha.
Back. I'd rather disconnect this little lead here. Can I disconnect it easily? Off it like that so it doesn't damage it, and then that can hang.
So that's just...
So this is your electrics, which on the video clip's a little bit different. This should just pull out like that.
Show me the end of that plug. Just like that.
Pull straight out. 10 mil. Loosen it. So that will probably hold it in place actually, so stop it from falling.
So now those screws are off?
Those screws are off. This is technically off. We just need to separate.
Very carefully.
With a shield. That is right. Just get under it. It's just held on by a bit of tape. And that should be able to
Slide out.
slide out like that.
One mirror gone.
One mirror gone.
Okay, so we've got the Everview original towing mirrors for the MU-X.
Which side's this? Ta-da! This is the passenger side. And passenger side. No, driver's side.
Driver's side.
You thought it's crazy, didn't you? Okay. Well, the pipe goes straight, lines up. Electrical work lines up.
Oh, it does. does.
Like that. We need a screw. Cut that out.
Keep it PG.
Do you want to? I can't reach. Okay, it's easy with two people. Okay, first thing you do is try and line up one. As soon as you get one in, the rest should all theoretically be lined up. Finger tight with the screwdriver. Is all the rubber lining, sealing all right positioned on the outside? Just to run that, check that.
It's all looking good.
Okay, then we just have to nip these up with the 10mm, which is here. Next is me just going around with the 10mm ringy and making sure they're all tight. Plug it in, like that, and re-put on the door frame. Now, unhooked this one here, so plug him back in. Don't even know what this one is for. Something electrical.
With electric windows or something?
Maybe. That. Line him all back in. Okay, open over this first. Over the door, the window seal. Nice and flush, all neat. Put the screws back in.
So one in the door handle? But that's the door handle.
Yeah, whereas this one,
Oh, it's up here.
that's just up there. Let's make sure before I put the final screws in, everything's hunky-dory. Matching it with the last one, make sure there's no overlay.
Upside down, Miss Jane.
Upside down, Miss Jane. Hurry up, hurry up. Like that.
In the door latchy thingy.
Door latchy thingy, I love that. Technical name, door latchy thingy.
Yeah, but if that's the door handle, what's that one?
Door latchy thingy.
Door latchy thingy.
That's
The door opener.
That's how we order it. Could I please have a right-hand door latchy thingy?
So you just make some noise.
There. Just double check all this. That's on there. Now let's have a quick go. Push that. There we go.
Out. But if you underneath you have the mirrors under the LR.
There we go. That's what I wanted. Oh look,
They work.
they work, including the parabolic curves manual, I think. Flash. Indicators.
I can't see. You can hold it. You can show the indicators.
That was definitely worth $550.
And it was pretty easy to
Yeah, compared to the what we quoted, over $1,000.
Yeah, but 250 to
Install. And I'm at 250.
Well, you've only done one, so technically
125.
let's do the other one.
Let's do the other one. Before I start, you know what they say, 4 o'clock somewhere.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright, let's get stuck into it. Okay, just put something under the edge to leave under the edge. Just to work those frame nuts loose, or whatever you want to call them. Like that. That's it. Off, lift it up. And it's got a little layer, little flat spot here. Apparently you can rest it on, but I'm not going to. That's just going to damage that. Like that, just sits there. There we go. It does sit there.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Let me just show them. Right.
So it
Sit
sits
right there.
Sits right on that, nice and comfortably, so it's not going to...
It did.
It was. Sit. Good. 10mm size, 1110s.
So again, you're just loosening it
Just
with
loosening
the
it,
10 mil.
that's right. Then getting all the wires disconnected. Like that out there out of the way. So oh, same thing I had on the other side. Weather shield's still a little bit of a attachment there, so I just break off the glue. Don't need that. There it comes out. Bring the mirror over.
Slip it under the weather guard.
Under the weather guard. Would have been easier to do the weather guards afterwards.
Yeah, but
Hindsight is a wonderful thing. All the electrical lined up. Is that lined up?
yeah, it looks pretty good. Do you need me to support it just so you can screw it in?
Yep. The juggling bit's getting your first screw in. Doesn't take much. Get your first screw in, the other one sure to line up nice and easy. Always seems to be one I drop. Trying to get that first screw in. $10mm ringy. Touch it up. So the seal's good on the other side, honey?
Yes. So we should actually clarify, so this is a 2019 MU-X and we got the Clearview Classic mirrors. Is that correct?
I think so.
Yes.
Told you I'm good.
Catch that, will you, Deirdre?
Plugged in. Just over the loop first. All lined up.
This one went a lot quicker. It helps if you know once you know what you're
Yeah,
doing.
once you know the routine of things. Saying this.
Slippery little sucker.
Make sure she's lined up. Helps. Put the covers back on them. Okay. And that one. And that's that.
And there we go.
Fancy that. Power on, honey. Let's just check a few things.
You got the keys in your pocket.
Try it again. Window. Works.
And then the mirrors.
Indicator.
Okay, indicator.
There we go.
And then, oops. And then the power. Yep,
We have the power.
we have the power.
Look at that. And wait. There's more.
There's more.
Done.
Alright, so that is fitting the Clearview mirrors done.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake.
Anyone with a bit of common sense won't take long at all. Even I can do it, for heaven's sakes. Thanks for watching.